In the fast-paced world of fintech, customer loyalty is a new currency, but with so many players vying for attention, how do you stand out and keep your customers coming back? I'm Michael Williamson, CEO of TechGrowth Insights, and I've helped some of the world's top fintech firms crack the code on retention. And if you're a tech leader in the fintech space, you know that acquiring customers is only half the battle. And a market where switching costs are low and competition is fierce, keeping those customers loyal is the real key to growth. But with ever-evolving technologies, regulations and consumer preferences, it's not always easy to stay ahead of the curve. And the challenge is that many fintech companies are still using outdated one-size-fits-all retention strategies. They rely on generic loyalty programs, spammy email campaigns, and reactive customer service. Meanwhile, customers are getting savvier and more demanding. They expect personalized, proactive, and seamless experiences across every touch point. In fact, studies show that by 2024, customer experience will overtake price and product as the key brand differentiator. If you can't deliver on that promise, your customers will quickly just jump ship to a competitor who can. So how can fintech leaders unlock lasting loyalty in this new era? Well, based on my work with some of the industry pioneers, I've identified 4 key strategies. The first is leverage data to personalize every interaction. Fintech companies have a gold mine of transactional, behavioral, and demographic data at their fingertips. Use that data to segment your customers, anticipate their needs, and tailor your offerings accordingly. Whether it's customized investment recommendations, targeted financial education, or proactive fraud alerts, the more relevant you can be, the more value you'll provide. Second is to invest in Omni-Channel customer service. Customers today expect to get help whenever, wherever, and however they want. That means offering a seamless blend of human and digital support across mobile, web, social, and also in-person channels. Use AI and automation to handle routine queries and free up your agents to focus on high-touch, high-value interactions. And don't forget to empower your frontline with the tools and training they need to deliver exceptional customer service. Third, build trust through transparency and security. In the wake of high-profile data breaches and privacy scandals, customers are more wary than ever before about who they trust with their financial information. Be upfront about your data practices. Give customers control over their information and invest heavily in cybersecurity. Show that you're not just compliant with regulations like GDPR and PSD2, but that you're actually going above and beyond to protect your customers' interests. And finally, create a community, not just a transaction. The most loyal fintech customers are those who feel a sense of belonging and shared values with your brand. Foster that connection by creating exclusive content, events, and experiences that educate, inspire, and entertain. Celebrate your customers' successes, showcase their stories, and give them a platform to connect with each other. When you build a tribe, not just a target market, you'll earn loyalty that lasts. And I'll never forget the time that we helped a challenger bank completely redesign their customer retention strategy. They were losing 20% of their customers each and every year to bigger, more established rivals. We started by diving deep into their customer data and identifying key moments of truth across the life cycle. We then built out a hyper-personalized onboarding program that guided each customer to their aha moment within the first 7 days. We also then revamped their customer service model, introducing 24/7 omni-channel support powered by chatbots and real-time sentiment analysis. And we launched a gamified loyalty program that rewarded customers not just for transactions, but for engagement and advocacy. And the results were staggering. Within 6 months, they had reduced their churn by 30%, increased cross-sell revenue by 50%, and doubled their net promoter score. But more importantly, they had transformed their relationship with customers from purely transactional to deeply personal. And that's the ultimate key to loyalty. So in conclusion, customer loyalty in fintech is not just about gimmicks or giveaways. It's about creating meaningful, memorable experiences at every stage of the journey. By leveraging data, investing in service, building trust, and fostering community, you can turn one-time buyers into lifelong advocates. And in a market where customer lifetime value is everything, that's the ultimate competitive advantage. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to customer loyalty in fintech? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And if you're ready to take your retention strategy to the next level, click the link in the description to see if you qualify for a free growth opportunity assessment. We'll analyze your current approach and show you how exactly to optimize for long-term loyalty. But also be sure to like and subscribe for more fintech growth hacks. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and God bless.